3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In today's video, I'll be walking you through a straightforward and effective method to download and install the latest updated version of Delta Executor for Roblox on your iOS devices. This process is incredibly simple, does not require a jailbreak, and works seamlessly on all the latest iOS versions. If you're ready to elevate your Roblox gaming experience, make sure you stick around until the very end of the video. To start, you'll need the most recent Delta Executor IPA file. Open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and visit the download link I provided in the video description. It's important to download the latest version of the IPA file to ensure compatibility with both your device and Roblox. Once the download is complete, there are several methods you can use to install the IPA file onto your device, such as using eSign, Scarlet, Feather Signer, or via PC with Sideloadly. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to install the Delta Executor IPA file using eSign, a reliable tool that makes the installation process smooth and efficient. If you're unfamiliar with tools like eSign, Scarlet, or Feather Signer, don't worry. I've already created detailed tutorials for these apps, and you can find the links to those videos conveniently placed in the description below. Delta Executor, for those who may be new to it, is a powerful script executor specifically designed for Roblox, allowing you to run scripts and customize your gameplay like never before. With this newest update, Delta Executor has been further optimized for iOS users, making it one of the best tools available for enhancing your gaming experience. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the latest version of Delta Executor on your iOS device using eSign. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss future updates. If you run into any issues or have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.